What's up guys? Today I'm checking out the world's first ever full view 360 dash camera. So this is the 70mi dash cam Omni. Now first of all, big thanks to 70mi team for sending this over for my real honest review. Now what's special about this dash camera is the design. It features a 340-degree swivel design with a wide 140-degree field of view, giving you a complete 360-degree viewing capabilities with no blind spots. So it can basically capture 1080p video at 60 fps from any angle of your car, along with 2K resolution photos. Clear night vision, built-in GPS, you have advanced driver assistance system, you have AI powered motion detection with parking surveillance, along with collision detection, and AI assistant with voice control, and lots more. But the real question here is, how good is this dash camera after using it in my own car for around a week? Well, you're certainly going to find out in this pros and cons review video. Now let's start off with the positives. So first and foremost, 360-degree full view camera. So that's 340-degree swivel combined with 140-degree field of view. Camera swivel is not slow either. It can actually swivel in any direction quite fast, which is certainly a plus point. Now my next positive is the video capture quality, which I found very good. You have a choice between 1080p 60 or 1080p 30. HDR is only available at 30 fps, so I did find myself set to 1080p 30 most of the time. You can easily switch the frame rates from within the 70mi smartphone app, which is available for both Android and iOS. Photo capture is also very nice. 2K resolution photos which you can capture immediately at any point just by saying shoot photo, and the dash camera takes care of it. Now I'll quickly mention the smartphone app, which is very good and feature packed. It gives you plenty of customization options and control, lots of settings to play around with. App is very easy to use, and I also love the initial setup process where it guides you step by step with video illustrations on how to set the camera up, how to mount it to your windscreen correctly. So really nice, easy setup process on the smartphone app. Next positive is the display on the actual dash camera. It's a 1.2-inch IPS display and it's visible in all weather conditions. Even on sunny days I could see everything on that screen. Now it shows you exactly what is recording in front of you. It also doubles up as a screen for your AI assistant, which is a teddy bear called MAIX. So it animates and talks to you when required, including alerts for various scenarios. Now, one of those scenarios, which is one of my favorite features, is ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance Systems.
Lane departure.
ADAS will give you voice alerts whilst you're driving to help keep you and others safe. So things like lane departure alert in case you drift into another lane, front car alerts when you get too close to the vehicle ahead. You also get pedestrian alerts. So if you get too close to pedestrians or bikes, you will be alerted. Now the ADAS feature can be turned off if you don't want these extra alerts. But me personally, I actually like the feature. I don't find it annoying at all. It is good. It keeps you on your toes. Now another great positive, a great feature is the night vision. It's incredibly clear. It captures all number plates and street signs, etc. It's definitely one of the best night visions I've experienced in a dash cam. The next positive is the built-in GPS. So this dash camera at this price point also comes with GPS built in. You don't need an extra module for the GPS to work. It's already built into the camera. So the dash cam can monitor your speed, your location. There is a built-in feature which allows you to activate visual effects. So it shows you your driving speed, your driving coordinates, and much more. Now another plus point is you have internal storage. So no need to worry and mess around with SD cards. The one I have here comes with 32 gigs of eMMC internal storage built in, and once the storage is full, it will basically overwrite the older footage automatically. Now next positive is the voice control. It's not a gimmick at all. It works really well. So you can say things like shoot left, shoot right, shoot inside, shoot vlog, take photo, take selfies, and lots more. Now another awesome feature, and probably the best feature of this dash camera, is AI powered parking surveillance. So this dash camera can monitor your car's surroundings 24/7 whilst your car is parked. This includes AI motion detection. So the ability to detect suspicious human activity around the car, calculating the distance and intention, and it immediately starts recording when it sees a potential threat. And the camera even follows the person around. Another awesome feature we have is time lapse. So when your car is parked up, it can actually shoot a photo every 30 minutes, giving you a 1-minute time lapse video so you can have a quick overview of what went down whilst you were away. Collision detection is also very important in a dash camera, and this dash camera can detect the collision. It also creates the video 5 seconds prior to the collision, so you get a full picture of what actually happened. So those are my pros, but before we start the cons, let me show you what you get inside the box. So you get a user manual, a conveniently long USB-A to USB-C cable, you get a car charger with 2 USB ports, a pry tool so you can get behind the carpet to neat things up. You get 2 electrostatic stickers. So this is what you stick on the windscreen, and then you stick the dash camera directly on the sticker. That is the safest way to install this thing, and the instructions are provided for you during the setup process in the smartphone app. You also get a spare double-sided sticker for the dash cam, and last but certainly not least, the dash camera itself. So those were all my positives. Now on to the cons. The things I did not like about this camera. Now the first one that I have to mention is the slow transfer speeds. So when transferring video from the app wirelessly to your phone, it does take a long time. The solution is to connect a Type-C to USB-A cable, not the one included in the box. You actually have to use another cable that you might have lying around. Connect that to your PC or Mac, and then you can transfer all your videos much faster. So problem and solution for you. Now the next con, for some reason, no one likes to talk about. If you buy this dash camera, you have to get it hardwired to enjoy some of the best features that it offers. So this ain't obvious when you buy this or look at this dash camera. You will think everything will work out of the box, but no. Parking surveillance, AI motion control, collision detection and time-lapse videos will only work if you hardwire the dash camera to your car fuse box. Now, definitely advise you to get a qualified person to hardwire this for you. And why is this a con, some of you might ask? Well, the first time when you're looking to buy this dash cam, it's not immediately obvious that some important features will not work without hard wiring. And also, it would have been better to give the customer the option to have all the features active with normal USB, and hardwire should be optional. So that is the reason why I put that down as a con. So there you have it, guys. That was my quick pros and cons review of the 70mi Dashcam Omni. Now there is no doubt this dash camera is smart. AI features are excellent. I love the ADAS, that's my favorite. Video recording is crystal clear in day and night, which is very important to have. Really like the usefulness of the voice control, because at any point I can just say a command. And the one I like to use the most is shoot photo, and it will immediately capture what's in front. And photo quality is also pretty damn good. Overall, I can recommend this dash cam, especially at the current price. Great overall experience. Love the ADAS too. The dash camera will probably benefit taxi or Uber drivers who can easily record video inside or outside the car when they need to. And lots of great safety features included. So that was my honest review after a week of testing this dash camera. It's certainly different to anything I've tested in the past, but the experience is highly recommended. Any questions? Feel free to drop them in the comments below, and as usual, I will try to answer each and every one of you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.